Hey, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you my Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer aus Deutschland review after 2 weeks on the car with a big trip to the German Sauerland and lots of road salt and lots of traffic film. Does it still do beading? Does it keep the car clean? How was my experience? Here's my 2-week review from Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's go. In general, this white car is very clean. We have some typical dirt here on, nothing too serious. Panel was treated with Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer, and I think the car looks relatively clean. The most dirt can be found here on the back of the car, where you have most of the traffic film, and here of course on the bottom plenty of road salt. My trip was about 1,500 kilometers. And here on the side also not too serious. And here again the typical dirt. On the top the car is clean. And also here on the front nothing too serious, aside of a bit of traffic film and some dirt. In the German Sauerland there was really a lot of road salt on the route from the Netherlands to there. And the car was extremely grey, very dirty, looked very bad. I just got the car wash done. But then when I came home in the Netherlands there was a big rain shower, and I was amazed to see that none of the dirt was really able to attach to the car. And that's, I think, credit to the Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer. Now I'm going to put a single snow foam treatment on it, no contact wash, and see if we can move the remaining dirt with the snow foam. And specifically for this no contact wash I'll be using my foam sprayer with 3 liters in it. And my MJJC snow foam, which smells delicious and has really nice snow foam. In total 75 milliliters. And I'll be using the green tip in the snow foam cannon. Let's see what the snow foam looks like. And this MJJC snow foam has this really nice color, and it smells a bit like aloe vera and cocos. Exactly what you need in the winter to fight that winter depression. Because I get the perfect foam every time, and it stays on the car really nice. Not too thick, not too thin, and that's how we loosen up all the remaining contaminants that are on the car. Let's see if it's able to clean with a base layer of Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer still active under there. How's your car doing? How has your weekend been? Have you washed your car? Do you have a lot of road salt where you are? And let me know how it's going this winter season. Have you encountered any rough weather? Write me in the comments, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. So the whole Opel Ampere Chevy Bolt TV has been covered now with snow foam, and it's dripping nicely down. 3 liters of water, 75 milliliters of product. That's very economical, and there was also quite some product left, so we also gave the tires a bit of a clean up here. Alright, almost ready. Time to wash off the car and see the final result. Now you'll see that the product is still active on the car. See how easy the dirt comes off and how it just rolls off the car. Also, if you look here on the top, you can see there's still really nice droplets, and that the Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer is still active on my paint, protecting it throughout the winter. Sehr schön. So, time to look at the final result. The car looks relatively clean. Most of the dirt have come off. There are some really tough spots here where still there's traffic jam film. You have to be realistic. A super clean non-contact wash doesn't exist. But for the fact that this car was very dirty with road salt and traffic film, I think thanks to Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer as a base cover, we managed to get this car relatively clean with the MJJC snow foam. So here in the front, I have really nothing to complain. If you want to do a very quick winter wash to get rid of the road salt and the most dirt, I now understand why people like Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer and why it's so popular. Yeah, let me know what you think. Have you used Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer? Do you like it, or do you use something else in the winter? How long does it last? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.